Hello, my name is Sean Byer and welcome to our house on Linden Avenue in Reservoir Hill. Come on in. Alright, give you a little tour of the place. There's our main area here, our kitchen. This is actually, it's a granite. It's called Black Marinase. So that's what you're seeing here. Very nice. I think I would even have it in my next home because every time I look at it I see things that I didn't see before. It's constantly changing and it's very nice. Enjoy it. This is our den here. It's just our area where we relax with the baby and after a hard day's work. Have the TV up here on the wall. Have to go outside now and check on the grill. Late dinner today. By our household. I want to show you something before we go upstairs here. If you look at the stairs, we wanted open riser stairs, but we weren't able to do it with this design, so I put lights on the inside of the stringers. LED rope lights, which use very, very little electricity. They do not generate heat, so it's safe. Floors and the stair treads are all bamboo. My wife Olga found this mirror. Great find. Wonderful. Here's our master bedroom. Of course, anybody who has a newborn, it's going to be slightly messy. I apologize. We decided just to build closets in here. So it's pretty nice. Actually, this spot of the house is only 10 feet wide, but with the glass and mirrors in here, it's and the lights, it makes it feel a lot bigger. And the glass is tinted sort of the same color as the walls, which just kind of feels nice and cozy. It's a great place to get dressed in the morning. Into the master bed, we have our corner tub. It's an air jet tub. So we have a double vanity here as well. We have a intercom and you can listen to the radio in here as well.
Number 2. Is that on
Want to have a nice relaxing time when you're taking a bath. One piece of advice to anybody designing a house: put your laundry room right next to your bedroom. It's the best thing I ever did. Baby's sleeping. The third floor entertaining area here. Let's go down to the lounge. Thanks for coming. Enjoyed having you. Bye.